President. Nice meeting you too. We will talk in the future, Apo. Yes, sir. I will talk to you, Yes, sir. Together with the Vice. Okay. Anong tawag mo? Ramel, sir. Ramel. Taka. Butas, sir. We will talk to you in the future, I will talk to all of you, Good morning, Apo.
Deposit to the bank, from which the deposits will be returned to the treasury office. And then we have big water tank at the basement.
Okay.
It's a very big.
That's what you fill up?
Yes.
With the
it's
water
sort of
truck?
the size of a swimming pool.
Really?
And that's what we fill up. And then from there's this transfer pump to
That pumps it
to
so
go
out.
up the tank up at the rooftop, which distributes water throughout the market.
Okay. Okay. And you're earning here, no?
Yes.
Oh.
Month earnings tayo with 2018.
Hindi 12 mo.
2018.
Equipment din yun.
Kaya ano na pati kita yung monthly.
Para may
We earn practically 2.2 million monthly, sir.
Really?
That's inclusive of the market stalls and the market fees. Yes.
Inclusive of that?
General fund, economic lang.
Sa economic lang yun, sir. Mga general fund tayo rin.
General fund, hindi license.
Except for the licenses, sir, the 2.2 million I'm talking about is inclusive of the rentals, the stall rentals,
Okay.
and the market fees that,
How much you generate through stall rentals, more or less?
more or less, the stall
More or
rentals
less.
is 1 point something million.
100.
1,100,000
Monthly.
per monthly,
Monthly, sir.
per month.
Ilan ang delinquent po? AR. AR mo sa stores.
Mga 700, sir.
So, the rentals, accounts receivable.
So that's the picture. You get 1.1.
Yung po
Collected.
accumulated DJ sir, DJ 700 yung magbaga na adang amin dati stalls nga ada utang na from April aging gana ko naritat ta. So nagtitipon DJ.
Yung 700 mo is
na accumulated DJ,
outstanding.
outstanding balance DJ sir.
Pero on a month-to-month basis, magkano ang
Manut AR.
delinquent mo?
Delinquent mo na AR mo tigas.
On a month-to-month
Kasi lang,
basis.
sir, mga ano lang nila, mga 40 kasi kasi nilap yung delinquent ni sir.
Iti flower shop dito na sungadan tayo sir.
Sino yan?
Three sisters ni Miguel.
Ruben Miguel, sir, isula dito.
So 40K ang delinquent mo every month.
Yes, sir, may mga may singin na lang di next month na kasi.
Bakit naging 700 ang outstanding mo?
Sir, kasi may dati ko pa ng
Ni Miguel sir.
Miguel,
Ito outstanding ni Miguel sir.
bigyan outstanding ni Miguel, sir.
Almost 1 million per ito. With penalty. Ada rin surcharge tayo.
Really, that much?
Yes, sir. He has not been paying, sir. So automatically we
May penalty.
That surcharge. May surcharge. There's surcharge.
Okay. And he's been here for how long?
Kasi nagbayad-bayad nga naman po.
How long is Miguel? How long is he?
How long has he been here? Mga 10 years, sir. 10 years
Okay.
or so.
Okay. Okay.
DJ Generator,
Ay, the J, ano ba, sir?
serviceable sa record ng GSO? Hindi.
Kasi,
Since
sir,
when?
istorya nga dito, sir.
Because when we came here, remember, all the stallholders were complaining.
About the generator.
About the generator.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So kailan pa yan unserviceable?
Sir, Binlong knows that, sir. I think that was 2015,
Andito?
16.
Dapat lang daw, sir. Di ba na konti?
If I'm not mistaken, there is an allocation of the repair and maintenance of
Ada, sir. Actually, we tried hard to look for a replacement for the,
the repair of the, generator.
Mr. Castro can answer that, sir, because it
Ako
was
magandang parte.
obsolete, sir.
So, for condemnation,
Yes.
we need to buy a new one.
A new generator.
Yes, sir. And as a matter of fact, sir,
Why did you not
But it's
report
still
that?
functioning.
This case.
It's not functioning anymore.
It's not functioning. They can't repair it because there are no spare parts available.
available, sir.
Because it's old. It's luma.
It's
Perhaps.
old, yes. And
So,
then, sir, there was
it's-
a move to...
It's for condemnation. And
How much
The
is
only
the cost of a
remedy is to
new one?
Ang muda. Nag-back kayong, sir, di ba?
Ti kuwado din tayo di sir ti amin. Jadi check up na kada commissioning ada nagpahabalik commissioning mo dito yan nung umatanggal pa. Pagbaga tayo dito I think ada dated quotation kan nga po Vice Mayor
nag-allocate kayo sa budget ngayon.
may begit for mga 3.8.
Di ba nag-allocate sila na sa budget ng 2019 for that?
Yeah.
When you pass the budget, ako may,
Ah.
they prioritize the generator here. So there's an
I heard that. How much? Almost 4 million. 3.8. Okay.
But again, that has to be done ASAP because it might the price.
Yeah,
might
the
increase.
price will increase. Yeah. So we'll do that ASAP. Okay.
And then we deal with the water problem
Yes.
next.
Yes. Yes.
Anyway, the city engineer is here. Perhaps he can come up with the problem. of
So
water.
besides the generator and water, what else do we have to tackle agad?
Sanitation.
Okay. What's wrong with the sanitation? I thought you're collecting all the basura on time.
Siguro it would include the comfort rooms, but
I'm sure the comfort rooms are old.
yes, sir.
And not-
it
and
goes
not-
with the water. I mean, if there's
Yeah.
water problem,
Yeah.
there's going
Yes,
to be a
correct.
sewer problem, sir.
Correct,
It
correct.
goes with that.
Okay.
But as regards to sanitation, our maintenance people have been cleaning religiously, are cleaning religiously, sir, in the morning, in the afternoon, and even at night time. So
Okay.
perhaps there is just a minimal problem as to sanitation if I were to answer your question, sir.
Okay.
People, market growers are complaining about that dump where the fish.
Sir, na ito.
Ay,
Yes, please.
From our engineering department, sir, we have a proposal there. Since this market is already 21 years old, it was built in 1998. So we have a proposal
98?
Yes.
98 or 95?
97 when it was constructed, completed from 1998.
Anyway, go on.
So we have a proposal to change.
To relocate.
No sir, no sir.
What?
Change all the drainage pipes system.
Here.
Yes sir. Together with the sump pump and because of the
we're in there.
wear and tear.
Okay.
Anong pump engineer?
Sump pump.
Some.
Yes, there is a
Sump pump
sump
lang dahil.
sump pump.
Bali ang klase po ba dito sir?
Okay.
Kami dati
Para saan yun? Para saan?
there's a two drainage here at one at the eastern portion and one at the western
Western
portion.
Fortune.
Doon lahat nag-accumulate yung mga waste materials. Tapos yung sampang, ang trabaho niya, ipapump niya dito para may ano sa mga maintenance niya.
Anak?
At the ECC na yan.
Oh. Sir,
ECC.
yung bigay. At anas, because we have the nabababati ito yung basement tayo yung existing drainage. So ito sa reggae pump.
Pump one, pag may tubig.
Pump out. Sampa, actually, so sana namin kita yung drainage at the basement ng buildings. So we are not, wala tayong problema sa iyan o whatsoever. Dahil yun naman nagamit lang para sa mga
Dishwashing, etc.
dishwashing. Okay.
How many vendors do you have here? Siyempre, you have a listahan. How many?
Vendor.
Install honor, sir, for 1,008, 1,008 1,008.
1,008.
Really?
1,008.
That many
Stall owners, sir.
stall owners
Yes.
here. But does that mean you have more than 1,000 stalls? No,
No. No, sir.
because some have a number of stalls,
Yes, sir.
not just one stall.
Yes.
But you
Some
have
have
1,000
3
stall owners.
Yes, sir.
And how many stalls do you have?
Mga stalls, there are vacant stalls at the 3rd floor now, sir.
She doesn't know much about this because most of the time she stays with the city mayor's office.
But you're the market master.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Anyway,
So if you're not here, who's here? Who takes your place here? If you're not here.
Jundi, sir.
Who?
Jundi.
Jun B.
Jundi.
Jun D.
Yes.
Okay, Jun D.
ilan lang yung stalls
Mga
dito?
stalls, sir.
So how many stalls are here? And so there are empty stalls
There are at the 3rd floor, sir.
on the 3rd or 4th?
3rd floor, sir.
Third. There are 3 floors here.
Yes, we have 4 floors actually, including the basement.
Oh.
We call it 3rd floor.
Okay. Okay. But that wasn't always so. Or have you always had some empty stalls here?
We always have some empty,
Okay.
especially at the 3rd floor, sir, because most of the market goers actually just go.
They don't
Just
like to
be-
go
they
all
don't
the
go
way
beyond
up.
the 2nd
They
floor.
don't go
They
beyond.
just
Okay. Well, if they had an elevator, they could
maybe
easily
they
do it,
could go,
di ba?
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Kaya nga eh.
We have 1,018 stalls. So stall holders lang.
So stall holders 1,008.
Yes.
Stalls 1,018.
Yeah.
So there,
Stall holders,
700.
700.
700 what? Owners. Not 1,008.
1,018 stalls.
Yes, but
Stall owners, 700.
100. And they're all taga Laoag? No. Buong Ilocos.
Mostly are from Laoag City, sir.
Yung majority
Yes,
at taga Laoag.
Magkano ilan bakante doon?
Yung 3rd floor din.
Anong section?
Karinderya. Karinderya. Eatery.
Minantrap ng McDo, Jollibee, Chowking.
Or anything else you need to tell us?
The escalator.
Yeah, so anyway, we get the generator, that's the first thing.
Yes, sir.
Then the escalator and the water will follow. In fact, the water is more important than the escalator.
Yes, sir.
So we move with the generator, then we deal with the water. And then eventually we'll deal with the escalator.
Okay, sir.
You've survived with a broken escalator for a
For
long
many
time.
years, yes.
It's not going to make much difference, but the water, we
Water
must
is the most
move on
important.
water. Yes.
Yung escalator, it came with the
Building.
supermarket, right? And when was it built? 98.
98.
Ang acquisition dito is 2002.
Eh, now,
Ha?
now do the dance dito.
Mga nagigad, mga nagigad.
Ang namigit na.
Engineer, ano sasabi mo lang sa drainage ulit? Baka naman kailangan ma-rehabilitate. Bakit pag hindi re-rehab?
Yes,
Ha?
yung mga the 86 parts, tapos install 20 system. Kumbaga sa
Brittle na. Plug. Plug na.
Cebu, you cannot remove the Cebu.
Tumangkin na. Kasi labato
As far as cement, the Cebu.
at the PDD allocation, dito yung more than 1 million for the repair of roofing. Init siya na dito. Apa na di...
It's a portion.
Ano na pwede?
We are into it.
You have maraming leaks?
Before, sir, but when the roof was repaired just
Okay.
last year, it was okay now, but still a portion has to be repaired. That's why part of our budget for this year, sir, is allocated 2 million for the
For-
rehab again of
Okay.
some of the gutters and a portion of the roof as well. Kasi it was engineer who
If
supervised.
you see sir, the one that what was repaired, this is the southern portion. That is where the current areas is. Kaya mas unang nagbigay yun dahil sa mga accumulation ng mga
Luto.
compare mo dito naman.
Okay. Where else do you want to show us? You show us everything. Is there anything?
Third floor.
Don't you want to go and see where's the generator, the old generator?
It's on the
Can we have a look? Where na po?
These are the big stones, sir. This is the calendar. We just have
Originally for them to put up a business. So what happened? Is that why people left? Because you people didn't maintain the quality of the...
but our business is
Okay, but maybe it's just...
and most of the vendors go down.
Apo. Hello, Apo. Morning. Hello. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Private services, but you do it.
So these are the meters,
Of the store. All over the market.
but I don't see 1,700
We have-
1,000 meters. You have metal
The second
you have-
floor and the basement.
So you can really see everything that's going on.
Yes, sir. Especially if there are complaints as to they were snatched from Sinai itself. What was Sinai?
From Sinai,
Yes. Yes, sir. Sinai.
the snatches are not taga dito.
Hindi, sir. Taga Sinai talaga, sir. From,
Okay, and what do you do with the snatches?
we usually bring them to the police station. And would you believe, sir, after 5 minutes, there's this person who would bail them out.
Because they're part. Good morning, Apo. Hello. No problem. Uy! Yan, break it. Let's go in. Come back and back.
The generator is in here, sir.
No susi.
Sira na naman. Bili na naman tayo ng bago.
Pasensya na lang ako ha. We're looking at the generator.
Sira naman yan. Check out na natin. Ito talaga generator. Wala talaga. Baklas na ba? Hindi rin ito sa bangin ba, no? Hindi rin ito sa bangin?
So this is what we're doing. We're buying a new generator. Which will come.
pump now. We are solving the problem by mahal yun ha. Ito. Pagpapakarap. I want mango. You want mango? Huh? You want mango? You want me to buy you mango? I eat a lot of mango. I like mango.
Grab it.
Thank you, Billy. Actually closes at 7 p.m.
Yes, sir, the doors.
Okay. So vendors cannot stay open beyond 7.
No, sir. Except for Tuesday and Saturday, sir.
And that's only the vendors outside.
Yes, sir. They wait outside, sir.
How come you don't know?
Because it's operated by CFW. It's the social welfare office which can handle it.
This is under the jurisdiction of DSWD. Connie Navarro. This speaks for itself. Why do you need me to say? I don't need to say anything. That's why you were invited, Apo. You were invited to make kasama with us so you can see what we're doing. I leave it up to you. You make your own reports. Okay, why do you need me to tell you what to say?
I would like to confirm just if you will prioritize the generator of the
Well, it's already been approved in the new budget. The generator set was already approved. So that will come to the rescue of this place, but it might be insufficient. So let's just see. You know, this is a work in progress. This is a work in progress. Okay, so I'd rather not say anything. Okay, you just watch what we're doing muna. Okay, this all speaks for itself. Okay, you understand?
in buying the generator, sir, is it go to build it or no more?
Naka-field jet. Maibak siya.
But we did the specs because we were saying 65 kV, but only for the alley.
Plus the water system.
That's the water system. Yes. That's the water system.
But the mayor is also putting
What?
Do we have enough funds for it, sir?
For the generator? Yes. For the generator, no problem. Now that's
Okay, after here, sir, where's
Sige.
next?
Sige,
Sir,
bye-bye.
where's
Thank you,
next?
sir.
I don't know. I'm not telling you.